Bradenton Police detectives with elder fraud and financial crimes are taking a big step to stop card skimming on the Sun Coast. This is what it looks like, a device that blends right in with the card machines at your local gas station or convenience store. Police say criminals are using this technology to store and use card information when a card is swiped or inserted.
Oh, and there's the green. That means there's no device.
We are just now getting these devices in. I will say the very first day our detectives went out and it was a jackpot on the first try. So that was actually at a local gas station. It was found inside the store, so it wasn't at a gas pump. But it was as simple as inserting the device, and it notified us that there was a skimmer.
Meredith Sensulo, Bradenton Police Department's public information officer, also telling us that these officers use this information to assist in other cases. And the first day of findings is an indication of how useful these tools will be.
That was just the first day, so we're excited to be able to get out and actually do more targeted enforcement.
Bradenton Police also suggests checking your bank account regularly or even signing up for alerts from your bank, just to keep a close eye on your account. In Bradenton, Ivy Morton, ABC 7, your local station.